Regaining weight after bariatric surgery happens in anywhere from 20 to 50% of cases, and usually is one of the biggest fears people have. After working with bariatric patients for 20 years, I've had patients come back and say, I feel like I failed. But here's the truth. Weight regain is more common than you think and usually begins about 2 years out from the procedure. And in some situations, it's not because the surgery didn't work. In this video, I'm going to walk you through why weight regain happens, what's actually going on, and what you can do to fix it. If you've had surgery or you're thinking about it, this is something you need to understand early. Why weight regain happens. Let's start with the most important point. Weight regain is not caused by just one thing. It's usually a combination of behavior, biology, and expectations. Here's what I see most often with patients who experience weight regain. Metabolic adaptation. Sometimes your metabolism adapts to your adjusted weight, similar to how a thermostat adjusts with room temperature. This can make weight loss harder or cause weight regain. Grazing. Eating small but frequent amounts of food throughout the day, especially high-calorie foods. This can override the restriction from your surgery surprisingly fast. Liquid calories. High-calorie drinks, soft foods, and things that go down easily, they don't keep you full, and the calories from these things add up quickly. Expectations. Sometimes what happens is people start leaning too heavily on the surgery itself instead of building the habits that support it. Stretching of the stomach or pouch. Sometimes a surgically altered stomach can stretch, especially if patients consume carbonated beverages on a regular basis or continue to overeat large quantities of food. Lack of follow-up. Skipping appointments, not checking in with your bariatric surgery team, and trying to manage everything alone. That's where people start to drift, and weight loss can accelerate and become overwhelming very quickly. Okay, I know you need to hear some good news right now, and here it is. What to do about it. The good news is this is fixable. Weight training. One of the best ways to protect your metabolic health is to build lean muscle. This is usually accomplished using a technique called progressive overload, which builds muscle mass by lifting progressively heavier weights. Before you jump into this kind of exercise, be sure to ask your healthcare provider if this is a good choice for you and for the best ways to combat metabolic adaptation. Structured eating. Take the time to plan your meals and be sure to consume the protein on your plate first. Follow your bariatric dietitian's recommendations closely and don't be afraid to ask for guidance if you're struggling. Eliminate liquid calories. This is one of the easiest fixes. Work on drinking more water, and if you need more flavor, you can always add low-calorie fruit or sugar-free drink additives. Address behavioral issues. If unhealthy coping mechanisms start to resurface, especially after a stressful life event, you may not know what to do to turn things back around. So if you don't already have mental health support, ask your bariatric team for a referral so you can get help sooner rather than later. And remember, you are important and you're worth the time it takes to get this right. You'll be so glad you did. Re-engage with your bariatric team. Your surgeon, your dietitian, and your other bariatric providers are there for you. Some patients feel ashamed when they regain weight, and this prevents them from reaching out for help. But please know, as a physician assistant who's worked with bariatric patients for 20 years, your bariatric team will not be upset with you if you have weight regain. They understand this commonly happens after surgery, and in fact, they will be glad you let them know so they can troubleshoot and help get you back on track. Weight regain doesn't mean you failed, and weight regain doesn't mean there's something wrong with you. It just means something needs to be adjusted. This requires working closely with your bariatric team and expressing concerns about weight regain as soon as you notice more than a 10-pound weight gain. I hope this video was helpful for you today. If it was, hit that subscribe button for more content. I release 3 videos per week that are all about the professional weight loss world. I'm Grace, and this is Weigh In Wellness, where I provide safe, thoughtful, and fact-based information on surgical, endoscopic, and medical weight loss. Remember, this information is educational. I'm a physician assistant, but I'm not your PA. Decisions about treatment should always be made with your healthcare team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.